Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable the smooth scrolling feature on Microsoft Edge web browser. So let us guide you through this. It is actually very simple, guys. All you need to do is follow these steps. Click into your URL bar or address bar at the top in Microsoft Edge. So let me go, for example, just for the sake of the tutorial with google.com, delete the given URL address and type in the following address: edge, after that double dot, // flags. As you can see, it's already suggested for me. Again, edge double dot // flags. Press enter to access these menus here. So what you want to do, guys, in that menu, experiments menu, is click into that search bar at the top and type in smooth, just like that. Oh, a typo, sorry. Smooth, and here at the bottom you will see the smooth scrolling feature. So here to the right, simply enable it by clicking into that arrow down icon and by selecting enabled. After that, restart your Microsoft Edge web browser to see these changes, and so that they may be applied and that you may be using the smooth scrolling feature from now on. And that's basically it, guys. If you'd like to disable it, again, access that URL here at the top, head over to smooth or type in smooth and disable the smooth scrolling feature here to the right, or select default. So let me go with disabled or default, and that's it. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.